Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2025 Silverado 2500 HD. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 6.6-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear step bumper, remote keyless entry, front wheel independent suspension, 4-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control. Inside you'll find push-button start, cruise control, trip computer, power door locks, power windows, power steering, tilt steering wheel, overhead console, panic alarm. Experience the exhilaration of freedom on the open road.